Hi guys, welcome to the first Laravel tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install the Laravel in your machine. Now I am using the Ubuntu. I'm going to show you how to install the Laravel in the Ubuntu. Let's start. Before starting the Laravel, we need to install the Composer. Composer is the dependency manager. Composer, find the Composer, install Composer. From here you can find the Composer. Mine is Linux. Here you can download and install the Composer in your machine, because I'm not going to install the Composer in my machine because I already have that Composer in my machine. Let's start to install the Laravel. Let's go to the Laravel.com. Laravel no documentation, right? Here is the installation. I'm using the 5.6. I started coding the Laravel from here to here. Let's try to install the latest version of Laravel 5.6. 5.6, that means you need to already have the server requirements, like the PHP must be greater than 7.1.3. These are the required server requirements. You need to install those things. After that, I already told you that you need to install the Composer, and again after that let's now this one, you need to install the Laravel by using the command. Let's go to the terminal. Open the terminal. I'm using this terminal. I'm going to install inside the www.html. Enter. Let's check. Blog. I already have the dash sudo. I will have the folder name called the blog. I'm going to remove. ls. Now there is no folder name called the blog. Now we are going to create the blog. Let's install. It will take some time. It's depend upon your internet speed. Now we have to wait. There is no options. Now Laravel project is successfully installed. After the installation, we need to go inside the project folder. Let's check the project folder. Now we have the project over here. Look, the blog. Let's do cd blog. Cd blog. That means you are inside the project. Ls, here is the our project files and folder. Now in Laravel we have lot of commands. Those commands are used to perform the different tasks. Let's check the command. We can check the command by using php artisan. Look, these are the commands. I'll show you the commands. A little bit of. These are the commands, available commands from here to here. The next step, once we install the Laravel project, we need to run the project. You can run the project by using the command called php artisan soft. Enter, so that the dev server started at this IP address. Just copy this one, copy and go to browser and enter. What happened? I can't reach. Maybe. Oh, sorry, I close that one. Let's refresh. Enter. Look, now you are able to see the Laravel project home page. Thanks for watching this video.